To be a millionaire in 2022 and beyond is a joke. It's so easy peasy that it's a joke to be a millionaire, and let me tell you 3 of my secrets loud and clear to be a millionaire. Secret number 1 is get addicted to solving problems. Kareem, Uber, Food Panda, whatever. एक कॉमन आदमी की प्रॉब्लम्स का सोल्यूशन निकाला उन्होंने, एंड दे आर अर्निंग वेल, दे आर अर्निंग गुड. देयर इज़ अ गाय जिसको डिसिप्लिन का इशू था, इल डिसिप्लिन था वो बंदा. उसको सुबह अपनी मर्ज़ी से उठना था, रात में अपनी मर्ज़ी से सोना था. तो अब ऐसा बंदा जॉब नहीं कर सकता. तो एक प्रॉब्लम है ये बहुत बड़ी फॉर हिम थी. So what did he do? He found out a solution for himself, and he's doing good. He's been trading forex since 7.5 years. He's doing good financially. He's doing good spiritually. His finances are in check. His health is in check. And last but not least, he's not married, but still, he's happy. Secret number 2 is emotional detachment. You're supposed to detach your emotions. Let's just talk about fear and greed. Fear. I exactly know how much you love your job. I exactly know तुम्हें कुछ हटके करना है, but you have a fear. Fear of के वो क्या कहेगा या वो क्या कहेंगी. To be honest, let me tell you the truth. The truth is, आजकल के लोग अपनी ज़िंदगी की उलझनों में इतने उलझे हुए हैं कि वो तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी में घुस के एंटर होके उसे क्या मज़ीद उलझाएंगे. Get a real life. This is not Facebook. Facebook is a virtual world. In reality, nobody gives a damn about you or your life. The third and the last secret is follow the process, not the money. This is a really secret one. No one will tell you about this. Now the question arises, what is process? The process is art of giving. The process is art of helping. The process is art of helping others to find solutions to their problems. The more you give, the more you'll get from there. Just go out and help someone to be a millionaire. You will become a millionaire for sure. Like, share and subscribe if you wish. I'll see you in the next one, and make sure you join my money making machine WhatsApp group. I'll link it down below if you have a business idea or you want to do your own business.